So today we will be unboxing this newly bought Bavin Fast Charging Premium Support Perfect Charging. Let's see how perfect this charger is. So kumuha ko na itong charger na to at separately bumili rin ako ng data cable from Bavin. So tignan natin kung anong meron inside the box. So inside the box meron siyang kasamang free data cable. So mali yung sinabi dun sa Shopee. Sabi nila wala raw kasamang micro USB. Then kaya bumili rin ako ng separate. Pero okay lang since multiple ports naman ang pwedeng i-charge dito simultaneously. Both ports ay magagamit ko, and then I'll use the old data cable na ginagamit ko. So this will be primarily used sa akin sa power banks and other devices. Let's see kung fast charging nga talaga to. So ayan, tinry natin ang charger na ito kung fast charging ba talaga siya. May power indicator siya, so in the dark makikita mo kung nasan yung charger. So I hope mag-last tong item na to for its price. So that would be all. Thank you for watching.